गणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम्.
Today's virtual alumni meet is special, and as it has given us the wings to flock together from wherever we are, irrespective of the region and time zones. It feels like it was just yesterday when we walked into your classroom in excitement to start a new topic, and you in your unanimous tone asked us for a PT period. I'm sure all your acharyas with us today will share a similar feeling. You have branched out from Harishri in different directions, and we know given an opportunity, you will always look forward to revisiting your roots. Here is an opportunity to revisit your roots, reconnect with each other, and rewind memories. Progress is impossible without change, and we are no exception to it. Global Citizenship, our flagship program, was introduced a few years ago, and students have been working on solutions towards a sustainable future. Culture continues to be an integral part of learning at Harishri, and what is new is the way we celebrate our Vedic heritage through Utsav. Apart from learning about the culture and art forms, some of your juniors have also published papers based on their research. I should tell you this. Bright and student-friendly storage cabinets have found a prominent place in the classrooms. I remember some of you were promising the same during your election campaigns. Were you not? Uniform has changed colors, kitchen menu has upgraded from weekly to monthly, and your minute to admit your favorite chapati and chana is still a hit among your juniors. Some of us have changed. For some of us, the roles have changed. Having said that, what has not changed is our core values, our beliefs, and our hearts, which are brimming with love and care as we see each one of you. It is our endeavor to create opportunities for the most treasured resource, our alumni, to stay connected. The journey has begun, and we are looking forward to traveling together from here.
As you progress in life or your career, remember a very important lesson. When you put effort into something, it will bear fruit. But your intentions and method of putting in the effort will decide the sweetness of your fruit and whether you get to enjoy it. As you look to progress in life, remember the law of karma. You will win only if you strive, not just because you're a nice person. But remember to be true to yourself and your values as you strive, because that will decide whether you get to enjoy what you have received. Even though your career is an important part of your life, it is not your whole life. Indian culture and philosophy is about experiencing all the goodness life has to offer, where it motivates you to work hard, hold on to your values, and teaches us to enjoy family, celebrations, comfort, food, sleep, entertainment, and give back to the earth, and most importantly, connect to the divine energy. I would like to introduce Mrs. Pankuri Agarwal. She is a London-based psychologist and hypnotherapist. She has been associated with the school since 2009.
But think of meditation as a way of visualizing and sorting out what you cannot sort in your life otherwise. So just close your eyes and feel your breath go in and out. The physical body will relax and the mind will be completely calm.
Snack time, lunch time, we do post PT. discussion in the corridors, coming to the staff room to see, Acharya, have you corrected the paper? Or even checking whether one Acharya is absent here or there.
When we went to Chandrasilapi, you are the last one, and somehow you are walking, sitting, lying down, drinking water, and it's kind of fun and it's amazing. And the one more memory is that when the beginning we are doing investiture ceremony and the band was there, and you would all definitely remember entering the PT1 environment, holding your Amma's hand and giving a cute little smile at your Acharyas who was waiting for you with a lot of love and
I'm just imagining the number of times I would have shouted your names on the corridor for all these things, but it brings back such wonderful memories, children.
Miss Rukmini's association with Harishri is long and special. The colors you see around you, the architecture that resonates the Harishri spirit wouldn't have been possible without her.
I have been overwhelmed with the invitation. I know the feeling that you get when you meet and come back to your old school. We get together and we have many happy moments. Years after I've left school, I still have goosebumps when I'm turning the corner in the car, and there I see the building. Even after 60 years, I still feel nostalgic. So this is the kind of feeling that has developed over the years, and I'm very sure that's going to happen to all of you.
Is now open to our alumni to share their thoughts, memories and feelings.
It's been 7 years since I've graduated, but so much of who I am today is because of Harishri.
So we wanted to give the students a little bit insight about what their future might look like in different colleges, in different fields, in different and answer like different questions they might have about their future, because we know when we were in 12th or 10th we had so many questions, and to have them answered by someone who's gone through it or who can share their experiences might be quite useful.
I also believe something that we could contribute very importantly is a sort of a mentor-mentee relationship program where it's not, so careers are one very important aspect of college, but there's a lot of questions that we had in school moving forward about what we would study or how to handle certain situations in life.
It'll be nice if the alumni get an opportunity to participate in the events like or the months, a more active role in trying in coming back to school and taking part in these events. I'm sure quite a lot of us in the alumni still want to come and play basketball on the court or go to the football turf tops. So it'd be great if you're allowed to go there.
The way to spend a Saturday evening. I think it was really nice just seeing all of you online, to hear all of the Acharyas share with us, to sort of just take a couple of minutes and sort of wind down and really watch videos of Harishri and see what school looks like right now. So I would just like to take this opportunity to thank the school management for making the third alumni meet possible.
Thanking the alumni for the lovely sharing they had, the intent to contribute in a big way, and to recall Bhargavi's words, to contribute to be a part of Harishri's future, she said, and I thought that was very nicely put. And we welcome you, and we are more than happy to welcome you back at any point you wish to, and help us with whatever plans you have. I think some of the ideas were extremely powerful. That is the alumni masterclass, the career counseling fair. I think that was a brilliant idea. The mentor-mentee, and not to miss Bala's request for chapati chana moments, for which our director is assured that even if it's not a Wednesday, we will go ahead and do it. Right? So we are touched by your sharing, your intent to contribute to this school.